Hi, this is Mrs. Jackson, and this is Chapter 4, Section 3 of Precalc, and this is actually the second video for Section 3. We're just going to finish up this topic by talking about circle sectors. A circle sector is created when you take two radii of a circle and kind of contain that with its arc. So if I try to draw a circle here, got a circle and we go to the center and we draw two radii, and the sector is that portion that is contained within. So maybe I'll try to color it here. So this is the sector, like a piece of the pie. And again, it's got some kind of central angle here that is a portion of the entire 360 degrees. So the area of that piece of the pie, if you will, is going to be, we usually use A sub S for the sector. So the area of that sector to the area of the entire circle, which is pi r squared, equals that central angle there, x, is to the entire angle of the whole circle. So we kind of look at this. This is sector, whole. Sector, whole. So it kind of makes sense. Okay, so quick practice problem here. Find the area of a sector whose central angle is 170 degrees and the radius is 4 inches. We'll draw a circle again, and 170 degrees would be just under the 180, and the radius is 4. So we are looking for this area in here. Okay, so the area of the sector is to the area of the entire circle, as that central angle is to the entire circle angle. So the area of the sector is going to equal, if I cross multiply this up, then the area is going to be the central angle times the square of the radius times pi over 360, and just start substituting. So we've got 170 times 4 squared is 16 over 360 pi. So the area of the sector, let's see, 16 is divisible by 4 as well as 360. Actually, maybe it'll be easier just to do the tens first. So we've got 17 in the top here times 4 times pi, and 36 divided by 4 is 9. So what do I have? 40 plus 28, 68 pi over 9. This would be square inches, and this is exact. And if we wanted to use our calculator and approximate, we can use the pi button, and that comes out to 23.7 square inches. Okay, last problem. We've got two slices of pizza in front of you. One came up from a 12-inch pizza that is cut into eighths, and another slice is from an 18-inch pizza cut into twelfths. Which pizza slice should you eat if you are really hungry? One thing to note is that if we're talking about a 12-inch pizza, that's the diameter. So that is a radius of 6. And that interior angle or central angle from one slice of a pizza cut into eighths, that would be 360. So I'll say the x is 360 degrees divided by 8, which comes out to be 45 degrees central angle. The other pizza is a 18-inch pizza. Likewise, that's going to be the diameter, so the radius is 9. If we take 360 total degrees and cut that into twelfths, we end up getting an angle of 30 degrees. All right, so we could draw if we wanted to some diagrams here, but I think you get the idea. So over here, for this 12-inch pizza, we've got, whoops, I don't want X. We've got A of the sector is going to be X times R squared times pi over 360. And so we have our central angle 45 times the square of 6, which is 36, times pi over 360. And this will reduce out to 10 here, 1 over 10. And so the area of this is going to be, actually the 45 divided by 5 is 9, and the 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this will be square inches, and that's exact. Over here on the 18-inch pizza, we've got X, which is 30 degrees, times the square of R, which is 81, times pi, all over 360. And I can divide by 10, and I can divide by 3, so I'm going to put 12 here. So I have this sector area here is 81 pi over 12 square inches. And if you are hungry, it looks to me like this is going to be the slice you want to eat, because this 81 divided by 12 is over 6. And this over here, 9/2 would be 4.5. So definitely the most area would be the slice that came out of the 18-inch pizza. Okay, in this video we looked at circle sector area, and I hope this helps.